Dare to be different? Balenciaga's Bouncer Purple Sneakers reviewed. Opening shot, a dynamic close-up of the vibrant purple Balenciaga Bouncer sneakers, showcasing the chunky sole and futuristic design. Hey sneaker lovers and luxury fashion enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of bold and unapologetic design with the Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker in purple. Priced at $975, these sneakers aren't just footwear, they're a statement. If you're wondering whether this eye-catching pair deserves a spot in your sneaker rotation, stick around. We'll break down the design, comfort, materials, and why these kicks are redefining sneaker culture. 1. Design and aesthetic. Let's kick things off with the design. The Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker in purple is a true masterpiece of modern luxury. The upper combines shades of vibrant and deep purple, creating a bold, monochromatic look that screams individuality. The sneaker's chunky sole, a signature feature of the Bouncer line, adds an edgy, athletic vibe, making these shoes impossible to ignore. What makes these sneakers unique is their versatility. Despite their striking purple colorway, they can effortlessly complement casual streetwear or add a pop of color to a minimalist outfit. These are shoes designed to turn heads and spark conversations. 2. Craftsmanship and materials. When it comes to craftsmanship, Balenciaga delivers the high-quality standards you'd expect from a luxury brand. Here's a breakdown of the key features. Premium mesh and leather upper, lightweight, breathable, and durable for long-lasting wear. Chunky rubber sole, built for comfort and grip, perfect for city adventures or making a style statement. Meticulous detailing, from embossed logos to clean stitching, every element reflects Balenciaga's commitment to excellence. These sneakers are not just about aesthetics, they're designed to offer functionality and durability that justifies their premium price tag. 3. Comfort and fit. Now let's talk about how these sneakers feel on your feet. The Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker is surprisingly comfortable, thanks to its cushioned sole and padded interior. The design ensures optimal support, even during long wear, making it a practical choice for those who value both style and functionality. However, like most luxury sneakers, the Bouncer runs slightly wide. If you have narrow feet, consider sizing down for a snug fit. For those with standard or wide feet, these sneakers will feel just right. 4. The price, $975, is it worth it? At $975, the Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker in purple is undoubtedly a luxury item. So, what makes them worth the investment? Unique design, the bold purple colorway is rare and makes a statement. High-end craftsmanship, Balenciaga's attention to detail ensures these sneakers are built to impress and endure. Versatility, perfect for streetwear, casual looks, or as a collector's piece. If you're a fan of standout sneakers and have a passion for luxury fashion, the price reflects the exclusivity and quality of this pair. However, if budget or practicality is your priority, these might be more of a splurge than a necessity. 5. Styling the Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker. The Balenciaga Bouncer Sneaker in purple is as versatile as it is bold. Here are some outfit ideas to inspire you. Streetwear look, pair it with black joggers and a graphic hoodie for a laid-back, edgy vibe. Pop of color, wear it with neutral tones like beige or gray to make the purple sneakers stand out. Statement fit, go all out with purple accents in your outfit to create a coordinated, eye-catching ensemble. No matter how you style them, these sneakers are designed to make a lasting impression. 6. Final verdict. So, are the Balenciaga Bouncer Sneakers in purple worth the $975 price tag? Pros. A bold, unique design that stands out. High-quality materials and craftsmanship. Versatile styling options for casual and statement outfits. Cons. Premium price point may not be for everyone. Slightly wide fit may require adjustments for narrow feet. If you're looking for a luxury sneaker that blends boldness, comfort, and versatility, the Bouncer in purple is an excellent choice. For everyday practicality, you might want to explore other options. That's a wrap for today's review. What do you think of the Balenciaga Bouncer sneaker in purple? Is it worth the splurge, or is it a pass for you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more luxury sneaker reviews. See you next time.